Hello and welcome back to the vlog. I don't know if you've seen anything before this, but you're definitely seeing this now. I want to carve a pumpkin, but I don't know how much battery we have, so we're gonna just wing it. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Marty's in the kitchen if you hear any noise, that's why. But yeah, I'm gonna carve a pumpkin, so you guys are gonna watch. And I haven't done this since I was a kid, and I didn't carve it, my stepdad did. So yeah, I'll show you the materials. Okay, so far so good on the battery, so we'll see how it goes. But I got the materials. We've got this. It's got this cheap pumpkin carving kit on the front. I really got this for the patterns inside, so that's why we got this. And then we paid for the premium stainless steel master collection for carving. So hopefully it'll make my job a little bit easier because I don't think I'm gonna be very good at this. But I'm also excited for pumpkin seeds, so.
That's a lie, baby girl. You're gonna be a pumpkin master.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but husband said I'm gonna be a pumpkin master, which is what it says on the top of this. So we'll see. So I think the first thing we need to do is cut the top off the pumpkin. So from past experience, I know that you want to cut kind of like around so that you don't like, I don't know. I just know that's what you're supposed to do. So you can put the lid back on, essentially. Also, you want to make it big enough that you can stick your hand in, which means I might need to roll my sleeves up very shortly. But we'll get there when we get there. Oh, okay, it does tell me which tool to use. So that is a plus. Okay. Cheers with my Coke Zero. Okay. This is cute. It comes with a case. Okay, I'm just saying, spend the $15 to get the master kit if that's an option for you and you haven't carved a pumpkin yet, because it comes with a kit. How freaking cute. Okay, this is the one that we use to carve the top off. So I hope that this pumpkin is not like so insanely thick, which is what it's feeling like, that I can't carve through, but we're gonna do it as best we can. I want to cook the pumpkin seeds once I get them. Sorry, I felt like I wasn't center frame. If you're wondering, yes, that is a Wookiee behind me, but he's backwards, so you can't see him. We moved him out of the office. Frankly, he was kind of creeping me out in there because I would do Zoom calls for work. And he would just be chilling, just like vibing over there. Oh, this is like way easier to do like away from me. Also, this pumpkin has a dent. So we're definitely gonna have to make sure we carve on the other side of the dent for the decoration portion of this. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're making progress, by the way. I know there's like a special like shape you're supposed to do with this, but I'm definitely not doing this. Also, just in case any children are watching, do not do this without parental supervision. These are sharp tools. Definitely need some help. I feel like I need parental supervision. Ow! See, but I cut myself on this, not on the knife, so we're good. Okay, also don't ever do what I do. I'm gonna cut towards me so I can avoid that knot. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that we have got this lid free. Oh, we did! Oh, pumpkin seeds! So I'm just gonna go ahead and like put the seeds in here. Oh my gosh, it smells so fresh. yeah, sticky hands already. Fun times. I did not bring preparation for this top, so I'm just gonna like stick it over here. Good plan, good plan. I'm gonna go wipe my hand off. One sec. Next, we use this scraper tool to scrape the inside. So okay, turns out I had to wash like my whole arm. I had like pumpkin all the way up my arm. Great exfoliator, I guess. So now we have to pick our design, which I have no idea what I'm doing. So let me pick a design. So I'm gonna put this over here and this over here. So this one says you get the design wet and put it on the pumpkin and carve it that way, which like, what? So there's like a cat pumpkin, there's a witch, there's a hat, there's a ghost, there's a trick or treat. Our pumpkin's pretty big, so I think we'll be able to do a pretty decent size thing. Ooh, there's like a bat with like some like gravestone or whatever. Hey guys, okay, so I picked this pattern. Cute. Apparently it's almost really hard, but it's a kitty with a hat, and I thought that was so fitting for me because I'm wearing cats. I love cats. So I have to wet this and then stick it on the pumpkin. We'll find out. Okay, Marty's gonna come check out my progress and see how I did. Of course, the pattern is non-existent at this point, so he can't even see what it was, but I think he remembers. And if not, that's okay too. All right, are you ready for the big reveal? Mm-hmm. Okay. It's a kitty with a hat! I chopped his other leg off. Don't look at that.
No.
I lost the pattern. I just started cutting and I felt it cut all the way through and I was like, oh no, kitty has nub. Cute though, right? I did good for my first pumpkin carving ever. He has eyes? What? Don't look at his nub. I did good?
That's pretty good. You have fun?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show them.
Oh, sorry.
Okay guys, it's done. I don't know if you can tell what it is, but here's the head, here's the hat, it's a kitty. Over here is where I messed up. I lost my pattern, and so I didn't know what was going on, and I have no idea what that cut is, so don't look at that. But yeah, I think I did pretty good. So cute. Now I just need to make pumpkin seeds. They're hot, but my battery is dying, so I'm gonna see if I can try to eat one. One. They're okay. I feel like I could have done better. I feel like they needed like olive oil. And now they're popping. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.